And then going down the list here, we're going to want to go to branding on the left-hand side and make sure you add a watermark because this is how you can get a couple extra subscribers. So you just click add watermark and then you can upload something. You can upload like your profile picture or something, or you might want to upload a little button that says subscribe, like download an image of a subscribe button and put that as your watermark. So I just uploaded my logo for now, so then we can just hit save. And there we go, the new watermark is uploaded. Now the reason I recommend adding this watermark is because it'll appear on the bottom right hand side of your YouTube videos, and this actually allows people and gives them the chance to click it and then click subscribe, because when you click this watermark or hover over it, a little subscribe button will come up. So this is just a nice little way to get a couple extra subscribers. And I recommend not using the default settings. So you're going to want to click custom start time and put entire video. Make sure your watermark appears for the entire video because then it gives people more of a chance to see it. And then click update. Now the second thing I recommend doing is going to your upload defaults section on the left hand side. And then here you can essentially set upload defaults for your YouTube channel. So let's say most of your videos are going to be in one of these certain categories. You can select that. So most of my videos will be how-to videos, so I can select that right there. You don't have to set this, but it just makes things easier in the long run because we want to optimize our time the best we can. And make sure you do set a video language. Most of you watching this are probably going to make channels in English, so you can just click English. And then also make sure that you have community contributions on. You just check this right here. And this actually allows viewers to contribute translated titles, descriptions, and subtitles to your videos for free. So it's just basically people submitting translated stuff to your videos for free, and then other people in other countries can watch videos. And you'd be surprised like at the amount of people who actually do this. So make sure that's checked, and then you can just hit save. There we go. Now that we got that done, we're going to want to go to advanced on the left hand side right there. And by default, it'll put your country as Afghanistan, and you're going to want to change that to whatever country you're in. And now you can add some channel keywords. Now, channel keywords are essentially a way to tell YouTube what your channel is about, so you can start ranking your actual channel as well. And you separate the keywords with spaces. And if you have multiple words in a keyword, you put quotations around them. So the name of my channel is Make Money Matt, so we can put one Make Money Matt right there. And as you can see, since there's spaces inside of it, we put quotations around it. Then we can just hit space, and then put a keyword saying make, a keyword saying money, and a keyword saying Matt. Just like that. Maybe another keyword saying make money, and then another keyword saying make money online. Just like that. So we just added a couple keywords right there. Now I recommend hitting save, and this will save your changes and put them into effect. And now that you got that down, let's go back to your actual YouTube channel, and you can do this by clicking these three bars on the top left and then clicking my channel. And then once you're here, hit that customize channel button again. And then once you're here, go to the about section of your YouTube channel. Now, I recommend adding a good channel description because this helps with SEO and everything within YouTube. So you can just quickly type what your channel's about. Just put a couple keywords in there to help you rank, and then just click done. And if you want, you can add an email for email inquiries, like a business email, so people can email you. But for the types of channels we're going to be making to create money, you don't have to do that. I do recommend adding one, though, because then if people have any like copyright inquiries or anything, they can contact you. And then down here at the bottom, this little link button right here, as you can see, you can click this and add links, whatever links you want. So let's say you have a website or something to promote, you can put them in right there, and then they'll appear right up here on the bottom right-hand side of your YouTube channel art. So guys, those are some of my top ways of optimizing every single new YouTube channel that I create.